Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is your Golden DB. Hope you're doing great. This is my first vlog on YouTube and I hope you guys will love it. If you do, please comment down which part did you like it. And if you're new to this channel, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you'll get to know when my next vlog is live. So in this video, I'll be talking about my ownership review of my bike, that is the RC390, which is a BS3 version 2015 model. This video will be divided into four sections. The first section is the issues I faced with the machine. Second is the maintenance. Third is a modification of what I've done on my machine. And the fourth is the reason you should buy a BS3 version in 2021. Coming to the first section is the issues which I faced with the machine. So the first issue which I faced was bending of the alloy wheels. So due to the bad condition of the Indian roads, my alloy wheel got bent a lot. So it has been improved in the BS6 version, that is 2021 and 2020. So the KTM India has done good in that section. Coming to the second issue, what I faced is regarding to the alternator. 6 months back, I had faced issue regarding to my bike where it was not getting turned on. So what I did was I took it to the KTM India and they changed the battery there. So it started to work, but only for 3 to 4 minutes and it got down again. So then we changed the regulator and it generally solved the issue, but it was the same after 10 to 15 minutes. And last, we checked the spark plugs as well, but that was a didn't resolve issue because it was working fine. So last we did was we changed the alternator and that solved the machine and it was running well and fine. Coming to the third issue, what I faced with my machine is regarding to the radiator. So as you know, the 390 is a single cylinder engine which generates a lot of heat. So what I have done to get the workaround for this is I have installed 2018 Dukes radiator into my machine and it is working fantastic. So that's the issues what I generally faced with the machine. And the last issue what I faced and it's irritating a lot is the vibration. As you all know, it's a fairing bike and it has a lot of vibration, and I've done a workaround for this is I've installed bushes. So that's working fantastic for me. So that's the issues what I've faced with my machine up to date. And second is regarding to the mileage and the maintenance of my machine. So as you know, the general service for the RC or the KTM is cost around 2k to 3k, and generally they do the general service, change the spark plug, clean your chain, loop your chain, and that costs you around 2k to 3k. And whatever I'm talking about my maintenance and mileage, so mileage what I receive in my bike in cities is 19 to 21, and in the long run what I generally receive is 27 to 31 depending on the road conditions. So that's regarding all, summing up all my maintenance as well as issues regarding to the modification what I have done on my machine. So what I have done is I have installed BMC air filter and that's working fantastic for me because the sound, as you know, it's very beautiful sound of the machine, where it looks aggressive, and that's just improved a lot regarding it. And coming to the next one is the installation of the LED projectors, and that's working very good. I think you have seen it in the videos. I've done the cinematics and I hope you guys liked it. And next one is the frame sliders. I've installed it. As you'll see, it's good. And the tail light is a general one. All the KTM owners does it for the better back look of the machine. The last section of the video is why you should buy the BS3 in 2021. The first point, and everyone knows it, is the sheer power. The power is greater than the BS6, as you all know, and the torque delivery to the wheel is absolute perfect since it's an Austrian machine, and the BS6 and later BS4 is being made by Bajaj in India, and this is purely made from the Austrian and imported to India. So that's the one reason you should buy. I'm planning to update my machine to different color schemes. So if you have any suggestion, you can comment down in the sections and tell me so that I can analyze it and update my machine. So till then, take it. Bye bye.